What full of hole, but still can hold water?
Vagina.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel, and welcome to episode 15 of the questions. And right now we're in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. You get to me and say, yo, are you Mr. Amanda for though?
I'm Mr. Wonder, my friend.
What are you doing after that?
Virgin, I'm everywhere. My name BuhN'S, you see me? Yeah, man. Follow me on Instagram, dog. BuhN'S 876. You see me, I say?
BuhN'S 876.
Yeah.
Ah, I see how my general. Yeah, man. Up. Yeah, peeps. So let's start the show. As you know, as usual, yo, I get anxious some of the time and I just can't. First thing I do, just give me a name.
Destin. Nikai. Name J.
Barbie.
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 Barbie, you hear that? Barbie. Phantom.
Oh, they call me Ed.
Eh?
They call me Ed.
Ed?
Yeah.
Why?
Why me don't know, must be born this small, so me don't know. They call me Ed, so now me Ed big, so me I wonder me still have that name there.
Yeah, man, I'm in here, Mad Spain, man. You don't know in a sun in a rain, man.
Mad Spain.
Yeah.
Shaquille Foster. Preston.
Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo.
Yeah, you hear that again. Woo, 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 woo.
Nia.
Oh, you know, say Jeremy and otherwise broken.
Broken?
Yeah, broken, you see me?
So, Andy broke or something?
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
Question now, right? What's full of holes, but still holds liquid?
But full of hole, but still hold liquid.
Yeah.
No, some don't know that one there though.
Go on, think about.
May I think, wait, may I think.
A whole heap of thing where you're full of whole water. You have some Joma bean hole and it's still whole water. See here, panes and so.
What full of hole, you know, but still whole water?
I don't know that one there.
Or full of hole, but still whole water. I don't know that one there. On this song new, I never hear it.
Full of hole, but still. I know.
Sponge. Sponge.
Yeah, man. I give it a try, I want to give you an answer.
Give me an answer, bro.
Sponge, man.
Oh, shit. Ocean. Huh? Ocean. Vagina.
What full of...
No.
Road.
Huh?
Road.
Road. What's full of holes, right? Yeah. But still hold liquid. You know, see, you have a pint? You know, see, you have a pint?
Sponge.
But full of water still can hold water. Let me see her now. But I want that now, Father God. And it might be difficult for my brother. I'm not telling you that.
Sip.
Eh?
Sip full of hole, I don't know if you can hold water.
But full of hole and still can hold water.
Yeah.
No one hole. Why? It's true, me a weed man, I don't remember that still, no, me I tell you the truth.
Yeah.
No hole.
Hole?
Well, I like that. Yeah, I don't know.
Alright. Let me see. Road. Eh? Road. The road. Yeah, man, you have a pint like Jamaica full of hole, but still can't hold water.
Vagina.
You serious?
Vagina.
What you say?
What full of hole and can't hold water?
Yeah.
No things.
Like what?
Vagina.
Vagina.
Yeah.
I know. Which is correct, right? Penguin fly or penguin flies?
Penguin flies.
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 Fly. Penguin can't fly. Penguin can't fly.
Which is correct?
Wait, say penguin fly
Or penguin flies?
I don't know. None of them.
Penguin can't fly. Penguin can't fly. None.
None. Because penguin can't fly.
None.
Why?
Because penguin can't fly. Penguin fly.
Yeah, or penguin flies?
Penguin fly.
Penguin not fly, not flies. Penguin flies.
Why?
I just guess from my mind.
Which is correct, right? Penguin fly or penguin flies?
If penguin fly,
Or penguin flies? Which one of them correct?
At the time I come out, I sit there more while I see them fly. Penguin how you talk, so I sit there and fly.
One where they on snowman, one them go on snowman and them slide on the snow. And them black and white.
Not even two I know what you talk about now, that penguin.
Yeah.
So they could sit there and fly you talk.
Fly, man.
Eh?
Fly.
Fly? What can you hold without touching it?
Ja.
Eh?
Ja.
Jack?
Ja.
What?
Rastafari.
So I'm hold my head them up, I not touch it. I not answer.
Think about it now, what can you hold without touching it?
Give you one answer already.
Alright, that's it. Yeah, you can answer the one.
That one to. Say no answer. Yeah, nah.
Think about it, man. What can you hold without touching it?
Life.
Eh?
The life.
What can you hold without touching it?
Grudge.
Grudge? Yeah, my boss, what you say?
Can't go on all the faith, you know? Can't go on all the faith.
Go on all the faith.
Jah know what? Jah know that one is stiff. But you say, never breeze, you can't hold.
What can you hold without touching it?
Jah know that one is tight, my boss. That one is tight, my general. Nah, like.
So, not even give it a try?
Not even.
Your hand nice. You know. Your hand, your finger nice.
Yes, sir.
Your finger. Your hand. Hole. Hole.
Yeah, like, what can you hold without touching it?
I don't know that one either.
Is that your final answer?
Can't hold it without touching.
You say you go whatever.
No. That one is complicated.
I don't really know that one. This.
Yeah.
Every answer, every question.
Vibes.
Life.
Feelings. When you want my feelings then.
You say when you hold the feelings them.
Of course.
Yes, you can get that one there. Alright, you get that one there.
Feelings.
Yeah, you say you can hold a meds, you know, but you can't touch it.
I don't smoke for all our meds, because you say me smoke, I don't hold no meds. I have a free mind.
Yeah, no. Yo, I would have myself that alone to brother, I would have to hold and not touch myself.
Yeah.
You see me? But I must myself alone. I don't see when I feel hold and not touch, you see me?
You can't hold it without you have to touch it.
You say give up.
Yeah, man.
You want the answer, you want to get a try.
Give me an answer, man.
A conversation, man.
Yeah, Bijah. I got
delete Jamaica.
Boom.
Alright.
Is it?
Ah, shit.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching episode 15 of the questions. I don't know, so we're in St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz to be exact. So that's the end of the show, but wait, I want you to check out this. Check out my gears. Beyond exclusive. See there? Beyond exclusive. Check them out on Instagram, I don't know. You see me? Big them up for my gears. So go up on Instagram, information I'm going to put on the screen. I'm going to purchase on the thing. You get to me and say, Beyond exclusive. You don't know your boy Jnel. And I'm out.
I'm going to forget the man and rat it up a cut, you know. Man, hold my hand and wrap it round the neck, yeah. And give me a spear, yeah, son. And cricket. Trick have a trick him. And act like me dead.